Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's workout is going to be more different. We're going to do no dumbbell stretch, just we're going to do with your hands and your legs. Today's stretch is going to be a night workout. You can try the stretch when you go to bed, and this can make you also really flexible too. And you can try the splits, backbends, chin stands, or even the helicopter stretch that you can try out. Even handstands are more effective in the workout. And you can even try the splits with these. And I'll also show you a tip how to get your splits really fast, and I'll also make it. And also please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you find it also useful, please share it with another friend. And if you like this stretch, let's go and start our workout. So the first stretch workout is going to be more differently. You're going to do this on the mat, and then you're going to do a yoga pose that we're going to try out. But you can put your legs in more of a different position, like the one with the bend in the right direction and the one in the left, and this will make a cute pose. And then you're going to reach to both directions so that you can feel your head and your hand. We're going to do this both. So let's start with the ground. Let's go down. Okay, I was trying to say that you can bend your leg on the ground like this. Hold your hands and stand like this. Now you're going to stand like this in the direction. You can firstly start by putting your hand. Now tilt your head in both directions, and then you can try with your hands, and you can do both stretches in this pose. Let's start the hip stretches. So you're going to try this in the left direction. Let's hold it here for 10 seconds. Now in the other direction. Go down and then up. Let's go quickly like this. Look up. Now we're going to go down. Now you can put your legs in the both direction. Now if you like, you can try it in the upper. Let's go up. Okay, now we're here. Now you can try this out with your legs. Let's start by tilting your leg like this in the direction. Now we can hold your leg. Now we're going to go up. Now we're going to do some hand stretches here. So firstly, you're going to just stand like this in the bow and arrow. Hold it here for 10 seconds also. Now we're going to do it in the other direction too. So the next stretch that we're going to try out is going to be different. You're going to again stand in both positions that you can try out. You can put your legs like this, but it doesn't matter. We're going to do this again on hands. Let's try it out. So firstly, we're going to just stand like this, tilt the head, and you can even do any poses and hold it here, but that doesn't matter. You can just try it out. Let's start. Hold it here for 10 seconds. Now we're going to hold some Pilates stretches. So let's stand like this, hold, and enter up. Try to make your legs go more of a squat so that you can try this out, or this stretch might be a little harder. Now let's go for a different stretch. So again, we're going to stand like this. Now we're going to tilt and stand like this. Try to make your leg go and touch the ground. Don't hold it here. This might hurt the leg. So again, let's stand and up.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Now in the other direction.
Yeah,
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way.
So this stretch is going to be more different. You're also going to get into squat, but this time we're going to touch this ground and try to do more cleanly. Let's stand, and then we're going to go like this. But try to go even deeper and just stay here as much as you like, so you can feel a more stretchy. You might not feel more of the leg that's just cracking, but don't worry, this is just the stretch of your outer thighs just feeling that burn. So again, let's start again.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Now we're done with this stretch. Now we're going to go from different. Let's stand like this, go down, and hold the place spot here, and also hold this for 10 seconds here. Challenging stretch for you guys. You can stand it and hold it up here, but it doesn't matter. Let's go and go. Let's go here. Hold and go. And hold this here for 20 seconds today.
And fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So this stretch is made in two ways. You can either try this easily, just holding it here, but the more harder it is that you're doing it more bent and you have to do it slightly on the ground for your leg to go like this. That's fine. You're just going to stand like this. Stand. Let's try firstly the hard line. Let's hold up here and then go down. Let's hold it here for 10 seconds today.
What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
Now we're going to do it slightly bent on the ground so you can try to stretch out. Now we're going to hold it here. If you like, you can just make it more way up. And let's do it again. Alright, now we're done with this. Now do it in the same position. Now you're going to slightly bend your legs and do it in more of a different stretch. Now we're in a pigeon stretch. You might see that we're doing half of a split, but we're just doing the stretch. So firstly, for the modifications, you can just stand like this. Then you can try this out and hold it here for 20 seconds. But the harder stretches that you make your legs go even down, and the more advanced you can try the splits. But let's start with the easy stretch. You're just holding like this and hold it here for 20 seconds. Here for 20 seconds also. Now you can try the splits. If you cannot try the 3 pillows, and then you can make it with 2 or 1. But let's start the hard stretch. If you don't know that, you can just try that stretch. Let's hold the splits for 20 seconds also. It is more best that you try it with your hands up so that you can feel more, that you can sit down more. Let's start like this. Okay, now let's switch. And now we're going to do that split like this. And also again. But this time you're going to switch this hand and hold it like this. Because your right hand will go here. So your left hand hold it here. Now you can try this with a crisscross split. Now hold it here also for 20 seconds. Okay, now we're trying to do a split. Let's hold it here. Now you're going to go and slightly bend your hands and hold the splits like this. Now stand like this and like I said. These stretches are going to be on splits so they can make your legs even more. Now we're going to do a pigeon left stretch. For the beginners to try the stretch, you can either just hold it here like this, but more harder. You can go to the middle split and do your split like this. Let's try the advanced first, because this stretch workout is going to be advanced.
Here we go. You can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know.
And this is the end of the workout, and you might have seen these stretches are a little bit hard, like going to a split and then you're going to a back bend. That might be a little bit hard for you guys, but don't worry, you can get to it fast quickly. And also, my stretches are always 20 or 10, so you can try. Only in the warm-ups you can just do the stretch for 5 seconds, because that's not for more. Okay then, bye guys, see you there in the next video.